Hi and welcome. Here at Panels Up Solar, we specialize in RV solar and electrical upgrades and installations, as well as supporting the DIY customers through education and consultations. Our mission is to empower RV enthusiasts and travelers with sustainable and reliable energy solutions that allow them to explore our country without the limits of being connected to a pedestal. At Panels Up Solar, we provide custom solar and energy setups that maximize your RV's energy efficiency. Whether you're a weekend camper or a full-time traveler, we ensure you have the power you need to enjoy your journey without worrying about hookups or generator noise. What sets us apart is our commitment to quality and personalized service. We work closely with you to understand your unique energy needs and design a system that fits perfectly with your RV lifestyle. Our installations are done with precision and care, using quality components and equipment to ensure durability and optimal performance. With our educational resources and tutorials on our YouTube channel, we help you make the most of your solar investment and stay informed about the latest in RV energy solutions. Choosing Panels Up Solar means choosing a partner dedicated to enhancing your RV experience. We're passionate about what we do, and we're excited to help you travel farther, stay out longer, and make more memories without worrying about your RV power limitations. Thank you for considering Panels Up Solar. Let's power your adventures together.